long tunnel. I guess I should tell the people where we're going.
Yeah, probably should.
We're headed to Yellowstone. We just came from Cody, Wyoming. Stayed there a couple of nights in Cody. And it is a Sunday morning about 6 o'clock. So we're hoping to beat the majority of the crowd, if possible, through Yellowstone. There's the dam right there. Wanted to get a little bit of that tunnel and some of this view. Kind of stinks that the view's over there. What is that body of water? Oh, you don't know. I wasn't paying attention if there was a sign or not. I know the dam was back there, so maybe that's Buffalo Bill Lake. I don't know. Oh, we are in Buffalo Bill State Park, so maybe it is Buffalo Bill Lake. Who knows? Yeah, that's really pretty. Are in Yellowstone now. That was about a 35-40 mile trip from Cody. We didn't really, I guess, pay attention to how much far it was supposed to be, because then we saw the sign and we still had 30 miles to go, and we're like, okay. So far it's a lot of trees, a little bit of, you see that snow-capped mountain over there. That's pretty good. So you still have snow on it in July. I think you said it was, what, 39 degrees or something like that at one on our drive. So, pretty chilly. It's very scenic. It's just, you know, it's trees. Trees and hills, I don't know. We stopped at this little pull-off spot here. I believe this is Yellowstone Lake. Probably.
I thought that's still Butte Lake.
Oh, I don't know. Anyway, I wanted to get a shot of these steaming rocks. I don't know. What is that?
It's a thermal area.
A thermal area.
So
we're standing on a volcano. Essentially.
Basically, yes.
Oh, that's really pretty over there. Really pretty. And then you mix in the steaming volcano, and you have quite a view. It stinks. In case no one's ever been to Yellowstone, I didn't realize there was such a sulfur smell. Whew, buddy, that is really smelly. Oh, pew. You can hear it. That's a little bit creepy. water boiling too. Almost looks like you could get in that one, like a hot tub, you know? Well, it's nice and clear and
Yeah, I don't think there'd be much relaxing
warm.
if you got in that one.
It looks warm. Oh, this is a good one. Look how clear it is. That's really awesome. So, this one is really boiling. I'm going to put the microphone a little closer. Hopefully the microphone caught that because you could hear it. It's just crazy.
Well, I don't know if you can see
I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh, yep, there I can see it. It is showing it coming out.
And there's one way over there. You can actually see the water spraying.
Uh-huh. I mean, really, you wouldn't think that this would be so cool, but it's really pretty freaking cool. You wouldn't think they'd need a warning sign, but obviously they do. It's so clear. I wonder how deep that really is. I wonder if the camera's even really catching this. That is beautiful. One over there. Let's zoom in. Oh, did it stop already?
Yeah.
I don't know if I got any of that. I wasn't prepared.
Yeah, they just like come out of nowhere.
Yeah. There she blows. Oh. Come on. Wow, that is wild. Holy moly, that is so cool.
Listen to it rumble.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Sure don't see something like that every day. Yes, it does. You can just barely see the water from all the steam. There, you can see it a little bit better. That is so wild.
Should have got a selfie with all of them.